Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever come back from that super muddy ride only to realize that your bike is now a complete mess in need of a good cleaning? Well, worry not. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the correct way to clean your mountain bike in under 10 minutes. So let's not waste any more time and let's hop right into it. So, the first steps to getting that squeaky clean bike is going to be gathering all those supplies. So, you're going to want to get yourself some kind of bucket that can hold water, and then you're going to also want to get some kind of bike safe soap. What I got here is just some car soap that'll work excellent for what you're wanting to get done. And then you're going to want to get some kind of microfiber car cleaning sponge or something like that. And if you don't have that, you can always just use a shop rag. Just make sure it's clean before you use it. And then you're going to want a stiffer bristled brush, as like I got here. If you don't have one of these, you can always just use an old toothbrush. That'll work just as good. And then finally, you're just going to want to get some kind of towel to dry off the bike at the end. So let's hop into the actual cleaning process. Now that you have all your supplies, you're going to want to position your bike into a stable position, either by leaning it against a wall or a tree, or if you have the ability to use a bike work stand like I have my bike in now. This will make the cleaning process much easier and prevent any accidental scratches you don't want. Are you ready? Let's dive right into the cleaning. Now, before any of the cleaning can take place, you're going to want to add some soap and water to your bucket, getting it as full as possible. Now we can start the cleaning process. The first step, you're going to want to give your bike a nice spray down using those low pressure settings, just to remove the majority of the dirt that is on there. Next, using a sponge or soft brush and your soapy water, start by gently scrubbing the entire bike, including the top tube, down tube, and seat post. Be sure to reach all the hard-reached areas, like the bottom bracket shell and the rear triangle. By doing this, we're removing any dirt and grime that has accumulated during the adventurous rides. Next up, it's time to tackle that drivetrain. Apply a generous amount of degreaser if you have it, or just use the soap you have to a stiff bristled brush. Scrub the drivetrain thoroughly, which includes the chain, derailleur, cassette, and front chainring. Moving the pedals backwards slowly so you can check every single link of the chain for dirt buildup. A clean and well lubricated chain will not only make your bike run smoother, but also prolong its life, so make sure after cleaning your chain to apply that lubricant. Once you've scrubbed the frame and chain, it's time for a rinse. Grab your hose and thoroughly rinse off all the soapy residue and dirt. Remember to avoid using high pressures as it can damage vital parts of your bike. A gentle spray will do the trick. After rinsing it, it's important to dry your bike with a clean towel or cloth, preventing any water spots. Also, pay extra attention to the drivetrain and chain to ensure they completely dry to prevent it from rusting. And there you have it, folks. That was a step-by-step guide to cleaning your mountain bike in under 10 minutes. If you guys enjoyed, remember to like and subscribe, and as always, happy trails.